The teenage boys who sexually assaulted Audrie Pott at a high school party and then took pictures, which led to a humiliated Audrie killing herself, have apologized. It's part of a settlement the boys reached today with Audrie's parents to end a wrongful death lawsuit. Night Beat's Betty Yu is at Saratoga High tonight with more. Betty, the terms of this settlement are very unusual.
It has a lot of people talking, Julie. All three of them were students here at Saratoga High when this attack happened. Now, today, the insurance companies for the teens' families were ordered to pay nearly $1 million to the Pott family, but that's not what's making this case stand out. It's an unusual deal that's not just about money. Two teens admitted to sexually assaulting 15-year-old Audrie in 2012 and had to apologize to her parents in court today. They've also agreed to make 10 presentations at high schools about the dangers of drinking, sexting, sharing nude photos, and slut-shaming.
This is crazy. I mean, it just seems almost as if they're making this a school project, which it's very much not.
I don't feel like it's going to teach kids a lesson. Yeah. They're going to do whatever they're going to do regardless.
Yeah. Retired Judge LaDoris Cordell says she's never seen a settlement quite like this.
I think what's unique is that the parents of Audrie have really said, you know, we really want to bring change. We don't want our daughter's death to have been in vain, and we want them, the very perpetrators, to be the ones to help make this right.
Audrie hanged herself days after she discovered she was sexually assaulted at a house party. She woke up to nasty messages written on her body, and there were photos shared among classmates at Saratoga High. The men are now 18, but were not identified in the court papers.
It was the shaming, the putting of Audrie's image out there that caused her to kill herself, to take her life. And yet this settlement agreement says we're not going to allow you, we're not going to shame you.
As part of the agreement, the men will talk honestly about what happened in a documentary, but won't have to show their faces. However, it reaches young people. Daniel Diaz approves.
So if they keep hearing it and know that, these actions were committed and it was a big mistake, they will now see it as a big mistake and not, a fun time. And if their parents pay a big amount of money, they can get away with it.
And Judge Cordell says this kind of settlement may be the start of a new trend, more of a standard resolution, especially in this digital age of cyberbullying. On the Night Beat, I'm Betty Yu.